just become real. But the thing that sometimes will trip us up in step 3 is that we don't see it right there and then. Yeah, we don't see it right there and then. But if you persist in that feeling, you will see it. Oh, yeah. This is why when you go to the doctor sometimes and you say, I've got pain, and the doctor tries to recreate the pain by palpating or touching you, and you're like, "Oh, I don't feel it anymore." What's the first thing they tell you? It's all in your head, is what they say. Psychosomatic. Thought causing body to respond. Psycho, mind, thought, somatic, the body to respond. Psychosomatic. So the pain is real to you. But then the doctor says, well, I can't recreate it, so it must not be real. What you mean it must not be real? You're not the one experiencing it. So this is what I'm trying to tell you, that when you are in step 2 and the feeling arises from your body as confirmation of what you would be doing in reality if you were the man or the woman you wanted to be, your body will respond in kind, thereby telling you this is real. Yes, little bit. That's exactly what it would say. This is real. And so when it says this is real, run with it. Because it is real. It is. But Angela, aren't I being delusional? Can you feel it or can't you? Think about how many times someone has been turned away for having pain as being delusional. All because they can't let you feel it because you're not going to feel it. It's not you're not delusional. You're deliberate though. So whatever that change is in your life, those are the 3 steps it will funnel itself through. Because at the end of the day, what you're doing is what we all do naturally. We all learn. And when we learn, we apply. We apply by doing. And we apply what we know. Which means in order for you to do something different, you have to learn something different. Which means if you practice this simple, and it's not even a technique, it's how we live every single day. You're learning on the job. You are simply, every day you go and you get training, you are rehearsing. Every time you practice, you are rehearsing. Why would you rehearse? So you can act it out. But something happens psychologically when you rehearse. You set down a pathway that says, every time I have to do this, this is how I'm going to do it. Every time I have to do this, this is how I'm going to do it. This is what the pathway does. So every time you go through the motion of knowing what you want to become and experiencing in imagination what you would be doing in reality if you were the man or the woman you wanted to be, and feeling it, that's exactly what you're doing. It is nothing for you to believe or hope for. It is something for you to recognize that you do on a daily basis. All Neville Goddard did was show you what you are always doing. And he put it into 3 simple steps for you. That's all he did. And he's telling you, you have to have the same, what's that word, Cyber? The same surety of when you go into the garden to plant something, you don't hope for it to grow. You know that it will. You're not believing in the thing you planted. You're believing in the process of what happens when you plant. You plant, you reap. That's it. That is what one knows.